us look into each of these call ratio front and put ratio front in details. Coming to call ratio front spread. So we do a C plus at 6,000, premium being 100, and we do a 2C minus, exercise price 6,100, premium is equal to 50 rupees. So what is the initial scenario from this option? We are selling 2 calls, so our initial premium inflow is 60 rupees into 2, which is it's 50 rupees into 2, which is 100, right? And the premium outflow will be for the call, premium outflow from the call is 100 rupees, making it an initial investment of 0. Now we must understand that this is a initial investment from this particular strategy. Okay. Now let us have a look at what happens at different maturity prices. So at 6,000 we have done a C plus. So any price at maturity below 6,000, the call option will be lapsed. Hence there will be a premium loss of minus 100, right? Okay. At 6,100 the C plus will break even, and above 6,100 this call option starts generating profit, hence gives us profit figures, right? Now at 6,100 we have sold 2 calls simultaneously, right? So what can we see? Below 6,100 the call options will get lapsed, hence there is a premium inflow of 100 rupees at each of these prices. So we gain 100 rupees, right? At 6,150 the option contract break evens, and above that 6,200, since we are seller of an option over here, we start incurring a loss because the call option gets exercised and we start incurring loss. So the overall profit from this particular strategy, we can see that till 6,000 level, if the price crashes, there is no loss from the strategy, right? And as the price starts rising, we incur limited profit, and if the price rise above 6,200, we can see that the strategy starts giving us loss, right? Now when the question is, when will I want to do this strategy? Say if you are a bullish on a particular stock, say at 6,000 level, one option was you could have simply purchased a naked call C plus at 6,000, paying a premium of 100 rupees. What would be the scenario? If the price would have gone down, you would have incurred a loss of 100 rupees, whereas if the price is going up, you would gain unlimited as the price is rising, right? But suppose if you want to move, again, now suppose if I would have purchased one naked call at a strike price of 6,000, what will we see? That below 6,000 we incur a fixed loss of 100 rupees, above 6,000 the call option gets exercised and we start gaining as the prices increase, right? Now suppose if my view is that I am bullish, at the same time I feel that the market will not go above say 6,100 or 6,150, is there any better strategy which could be done where I could actually decrease the initial cost of the strategy? If we do a call ratio fund spread, we actually seeing that the initial investment is 0. So if the price goes down, we actually don't lose anything which we were in case of a naked call. And if the price starts increasing, I start gaining, right? But we are actually limiting our profit to the level of 6,200. Okay, so we are actually believing that the market is going to be mildly bullish, in a particular range, then with the least of investment and not paying the time value for these options, the best strategy which could be done is a call ratio front spread. Okay? Thank you.